Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today the problem that we are going to look into is divide array into equal pairs. So you are given an integer array nums consisting of two n integers. Okay, it's an even size array already. You have to divide nums into n pairs such that each element belongs to exactly one pair. Okay, the elements present in the pairs are equal. Return true if the numbers can be divided into n pairs, otherwise return false. Okay, so let's see what the problem is saying. So problem is saying basically that you are given two n integers. So for example, six integers are given. Now every number, so there are pair of numbers. Okay, like three, correct? Three is coming twice. Similarly, two is coming twice. Again, two is coming twice. So every number is coming kind of in pairs. And if they are coming in pairs, then you need to return true, and if not, then you need to return false. Here, I mean, there are no pairs, right? I mean, every number is coming like once. So okay, now I think, for example, take an example wherein we have, say, 3, then 2, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 1. Okay, so here are kind of a six numbers we have. Now 3 is coming twice, correct? 3 is coming twice. 2 is also coming twice. 1 is also coming twice. So in this we need to return kind of a true, because every number is coming kind of twice. Okay. If we have a array, say 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, correct? And 4 is also there, because I mean array size is even. So there are six elements, but 2 is coming twice, right? 3 is coming twice, but 1 and 4 are kind of a coming single time. So in this case we need to return false. Okay. So like one of the options to think about this problem is kind of we can sort the array, right? We can sort the array. For example, if we sort this array for which the pairs are existing, uh, I mean, which can be divided into pairs. So sorting will be 1 1 2 2 3 3, right? So this is the sorted array will become. Now every kind of 0 and 1 are equal, correct? Then second and third index are equal, then fourth and fifth index are equal. So this way you can traverse and like figure out that if you encounter any one of this which is not equal, so you can return false from there, right? Otherwise, I mean, if you are able to kind of every other pair, I mean, you can see, I mean, they are equal, right? So you can pick any two indexes and they are equal. Any two next two indexes, they are equal. So I mean, the value at those indexes are equal, right? So this is one way, but here you are sorting the array, so your complexity will be order of n log n. I mean, since I mean you are sorting the array and then you are traversing it, so that will be order of n. So I mean complexity will be n log n only. But if you don't want to sort this, then maybe you can maintain the count of numbers. So you can take a map and you can kind of create a map. For example, key is 3 here and the count is 1, right? For the key is 3 and the count is 1, correct? The key is 2, the count is 1. When you encounter this, the key is 1 and the count is 1. Now here again you encounter 2. Now this will become 2, the count become 2. 3, your count become 2. 1 again, your count become 2. So now after traversing the whole array, you will maintain this map, right? And in the map you can check at the end that like the frequency of every element in the map will be 2. If that is not 2, if that is 1 or more than 2, so I mean you can reject that and you can return false at any point of time. But if they are all 2, I mean then you can return true in that case. So this is your second approach via map. Third approach could be like that I really liked. I mean, as I've already seen this problem earlier, so Third approach is you can kind of take a set. Okay, you can take a set, and in set you can add, for example, the element if that is not there in the set. For example, 3 will be added first of all in the set. Then if you encounter another 3, since it is already there in the set, you will remove it from the set. So similarly, like if the element is there in the set, you will remove it. If it is not there, you will add it. Okay, so if you will get an array which is kind of paired already, like this, right? Here you will get like every element twice. So if you fill the set in that way, at the end you will have kind of an empty set, right? Because this 3 you will add first, and then this 3 you will remove it from the set. Again, 2 you will add, then 2 you will remove, 1 you will add, 1 you will remove. Similarly, like after traversing the complete array, you will have this set as empty. So this is the indication that, okay, if you get the set as empty at the end, so that means you got the you have every element in that array coming twice. Okay, otherwise it is not a paired kind of array. Okay, let's try to write that code. So okay, we can take this method. Okay, sample return false, just to resolve the compilation error. Now we can maintain a set of integer, say set equal to new asset. Okay, now we'll traverse this nums array. If we'll add it in the set, this nums. Okay, if we are able to add it, so this, when you say add, it will return true, right? If you are able to add it. So if you are able to add it, you should add it. But if you are not able to add it, so you should remove it, right? So let's see. Now you'll get 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you get 3, you will add it, right? Add will return true, so true, and you said not, so this will be false. So nothing will be removed, right? So 3 will be added, so the set will contain now 3, correct? Now you'll encounter 2. Now set is containing 3, right? If you say, now you encountered 2. Now 2 also you will set dot add 2, so nothing will happen, 2 will be added, right? Because 2 was not there earlier. 1, again 1 will be added because 1 was not. Now again you will try to add 1, so this set dot add 1 will give you true. Sorry, the set dot add 1 will give you false because 1 was already there, so false, and then you again not of false is true. Then you will end up removing this one, so this one will be removed. Similarly, you encountered 2 now, 2 is already there, right? You will end up removing 2 as well. Similarly 3, you will end up removing 3 as well. Now your set will be empty. So you can say set dot is empty. If it is empty, then your answer should be true, otherwise it is false, right? It's giving errors. Okay, I don't know. So let's try submitting this. Yeah, yeah, that's submitted. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, comment and share, and leave your comments so that it will help me in improving this channel. Thanks a lot.